Hexagon Networks provided a platform for us to quickly design the fiber network. Having the electric system already modeled within Networks Core gave our designers the ability to see poles, see structures, see paths that were already established for the fiber. We were challenged to make a 10-year project as it was initially designed to complete it as quickly as possible, and having Networks Core allowed us to do that in about a 2-year time frame. Having Networks Core gives us the foundation to look at new technologies, within the industry, and be able to place items and new technology in the best locations for the task that they're to do, such as a microgrid. We're able to look at the electric system and the customers in that area and pick out the best area that maybe we could put a battery or a microgrid to help sustain electric services. We're able to leverage the consumer maps piece of Hexagon Networks to pull in a Google map to see street views and the different views of poles in the field. So if there's preliminary questions for a design, they can pull that view up and actually get some answers before they actually roll a truck to go verify. We did have an event in our downtown network where we had some fiber that was damaged, and having Hexagon Networks allowed us to trace those customers out and quickly find a secondary path to be able to get their services back up and get their fiber restored. Within EPB, we have a small user group of Hexagon Network users, but the information that's collected is used throughout numerous systems within the company by organizations from construction all the way up to the strategic research group. So again, as a foundation for our systems, it provides a lot of information to a lot of areas.